Traffic jams in Metro Manila are a normal part of the capital region's daily routine, even in roads like the Circumferential Road 5, which was initially built to decongest major thoroughfares. And while trucks and buses take most of the blame for this inconvenience, there may be another culprit behind the heavy traffic in the highway. Paula Palma reports.
Moderate to heavy traffic has become the norm along C5 Road during regular days. Many motorists, however, blame the traffic on these huge trucks that ply the main thoroughfare daily at certain times when the truck ban is lifted.
Simula ko nung mga pumasok ng mga truck dito, wala na, puro traffic na po inabot namin dito.
Pag naglabas na truck, lalo na halos pausad-usad pagong lang talaga. Siguro yung mga enforcer talaga natin lagi nakabate. Kamukha na lang itong jeep na ito, ginagawang terminal nila yan, no?
Some, however, believe the lenient enforcement of traffic laws also contributes to the slow movement of vehicles, as proper loading and unloading zones are no longer observed.
Malala kasi minsan mga jeep Ayan ang unloading at unloading ng jeep yan Siguro, disiplina lang sa mga driver ng jeep. Kasi dyan minsan wala naman hindi nagabantay. Kahit nandyan, di naman sinisita.
Metro Manila Development Authority Traffic Constable Bernabe Orencio explains, traffic enforcers can only assist in management of vehicles once the clock strikes at 10 in the morning.
Hindi po natin maano talaga yung mga truck dahil sa alam na nila na oras na nila labasan nila. Ang ginagawa po namin dito, kagaya ng labasan na yan, inaalalayan lang po namin at saka inaantabayan lang din po namin.
Orencio also says traffic is inevitable in C5 due to some narrow roads causing a bottleneck in some areas.
Labasan po kasi ng mga malalaking truck. Saka yung natin, kalsada ay medyo makitid. 2 lanes lang po yan. Kaya medyo kakaroon tayo ng masikip na pagdaloy ng mga sasakyan dito sa Bagong Ilog.
Orencio also admits there are only 15 traffic constables currently assigned from Libis all the way to Kalayaan, making it harder for them to apprehend all traffic violators. Out of this number, around 5 can only issue tickets.
Sinasabi nila, sa dami po nila, hindi po namin talaga sila lahat dahil sa sobrang dami. Mas maganda po kung marami at saka may ticket talaga lahat ng constable na na-assign dito. Kailangan may ticket para yung mga lumalabag ay mabigyan natin ng karampatan na parusa dyan.
From 8 in the morning, vehicles in most parts of C5 only move up to 20 kilometers per hour. Intermittent rains also worsen the traffic as vehicles slow down due to slippery roads and poor visibility. He advises motorists to avoid C5 while the truck ban is lifted from 10 in the morning until 5 in the afternoon, and to take alternate routes like EDSA where trucks are not allowed to travel anytime. Paula Palma reporting.